AI chatbots are great fun, but ChatGPT has practical uses, too. Artificial intelligence products have seen a meteoric rise within the last few years. Let's catch you up to speed. Please subscribe and share. Here are 11 cool day-to-day uses for Chat. 1. Quickly write a customized resume and cover letter. ChatGPT is one of the quickest ways to make a resume online. It can help relieve you of the burden of customizing each resume for each job posting in just a few seconds. 2. Create original jokes. What's life without a bit of fun? Whether you're looking for a good laugh or to create some hilarious jokes to impress your friends, ChatGPT can come in handy. 3. Explain complex topics. Sometimes, simply Googling a topic doesn't give you a clear understanding. Think of topics like wormholes, dark matter, and all those head-spinning theories from your master's degree program. 4. Solve tricky math problems step by step. Whether you're looking to tackle complex algebra problems or simple math problems that are too tricky to piece together, ChatGPT is particularly strong in handling math. 5. Get relationship advice. ChatGPT, just like any AI system, can't exactly understand emotions. However, it can still provide useful tips for managing relationships with friends, family, and loved ones. Please share this video. 6. Write music in almost any genre. One of ChatGPT's greatest strengths is its learned creativity. Unlike some AI solutions, ChatGPT doesn't just deal with soulless robotic concepts. 7. Write, debug, and explain code. Whether you're an experienced programmer or a newbie, you're bound to run into a few bugs in your code from time to time. ChatGPT can help you narrow down the problem within your code, saving you hours looking for a misplaced comma. 8. Create content in multiple languages. ChatGPT can create content directly in several languages. Chinese, Spanish, French. We prompted ChatGPT to write a poem in English and Chinese. Please comment and subscribe. 9. Prepare for a job interview. With its wealth of knowledge across several fields, ChatGPT is one of the best AI tools to help you prepare for a job interview. 10. Write essays on almost any topic. While we strongly advise you to write your essays yourself, ChatGPT can compose amazing essays on a wide range of topics, even the most complex. 11. A chat companion. When all is said and done, ChatGPT is an AI chatbot. Despite its almost endless use cases, you'll find ChatGPT a very accommodating companion when you need someone, or a robot, to talk to. Trust, but verify all ChatGPT results. While ChatGPT is an incredibly accurate AI chatbot, it is still prone to inaccuracies. Although the rate at which it provides inaccurate information isn't alarming, it's important to verify the information that ChatGPT provides before using it. Please subscribe and share.